Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab, so I'm so glad you are here. I am not live tonight. Y'all, I went live last Friday, and about 45 minutes into it or so, here he comes. Blue walked over my laptop and cut me off. Except that he didn't really, I thought he cut me off. The screen went, I don't know. Don't know what happened. Couldn't get back on. Had so much trouble. Finally got back on. And just did like a 15-minute goodbye. And hang on a minute. Y'all, my ring light and everything has been knocked over by that boy. He's a menace. He's a menace. Not really, but he is. Let me tell you what I'm wearing. This is the Nomad Verona Amore e Morte palettes. This is the Romeo and Juliet palette. It's very beautiful. It opens this way. Oh gosh, y'all. My shoulder is just not right there. All right, let's see. This is what she looks like. And that is what I have on. And I was live last week. I told you about that. I think I told you about that. So before he interrupted me. I am taped up again. I was off for like a week of the tape, so I'm taped up again. So my shoulder is doing really great. We are in just the edge of the path of Hurricane Helene, and I don't know if that is, for some reason my shoulder is bothering me a lot lately. It moved down here in my arm for the last week or so, and today though my shoulder's really been bothering me. We are in a flood watch, which happened with the last hurricane, which was that was just like last weekend, I think, or last week, something like that anyway. So I just want you all to know that I'm keeping everyone in Helene's path, keeping all in my prayers. There's lots of you, and I know that's true. And we're not supposed to get too bad of weather. It's moved. I'm straight up from the Gulf shore, from the Gulf Coast. So it's moved. It was like this originally, and then it's moved. Now you might be seeing that backwards, I don't know, but it's moved. It's moved over a little bit. So we'll get like the swing back of it. I'm on the edge, the very edge of it, and then the swing back. So I think they're predicting like 6 inches of rain. So by the time it actually hits, it can move again, because it does do that sometimes. So, but it's going to hit Florida, like the Panhandle-ish area. So please keep those people in your prayers. And it's happening now. So, pretty much, I think. So anyway, I hung that beautiful thing up, and I have my beautiful wreath there from Teddy, known as Here. And anyway, I'm way back. Anyway, I'm just a little befuddled. So I have all these notes, and then, he befuddles me. So I wanted to say, I got my Walmart box. A lot of people got their Walmart box, but a lot of people are still getting their Walmart box. So please go watch them. I have been on the tail end of receiving my Walmart box, where everyone's had it for a month. And, everybody, there's so many different variations that, go watch your favorite channels and watch the people that you like. Even if you think, oh, I've already seen the Walmart box, just watch their video for them. I forgot to tell you what's on my lips. I have the MAC lipstick E for Effortless. This is just one of my favorites. It's just a gorgeous, really deep bluish red. So I love it, love it, love it. And a lot of activity around here. Lots of activity with these cats. So anyway, Blue, I don't know if it was in my live or one day last week, the weekend or something. He was sort of not all with it. And he's a lot better now. But he seemed to his head was a little hot, and he just was really extra needy. So he does seem a lot better now, so that's good. At least I don't have to take him to the vet, which is nice. I wanted to tell y'all, these are the Impress nails. And I think that video just went up a day or two ago, but I've had these on for one full week now, and I didn't lose not one. Usually when you have press-on nails, even if you do it right, they'll stay on longer, but usually one or two will fall off here and there. And then, you have the extras, so you can just put put another one back on, or take the old one, take the sticky off and put a new sticky on it. But this tape irritates me, so it's itchy. A whole week, a whole complete week, and not one fell off, not one fell off. And these are weird. These are those pointy ones. You see, they're cute. They're pointy, and I did not think I'd like them, but they haven't, the points, like I said, I did file the points down. They were sharp, so I did file the points down a little bit, but you can see they're still pointy. But they have not bothered me at all. I you know, wash my hair, take a shower, do that stuff. I don't, when I wash dishes, I wear gloves, because that's just too much of hand soaking, you know, so that you're not supposed to do, because that can, if you want to get them off fast, that's a good way to get them off, is soak your hands. Yeah, these are really nice, and I got them all at a great discount, so check that video out. And also, y'all, I do shorts, not all the time, but I do shorts here and there. And I don't think, from what people tell me, you don't get notifications when there's a short. And I think that's true, because I don't think I ever get a notification for any of my friends' shorts. And so you have to really go to the person's channel and find their short, you know, look under, it says, you know, videos, lives, shorts, I forget what else, community tab, something like that. So you really have to actually go look at them and to find them. So if you get a minute, you know, shorts are under a minute, so they're short. If you can watch them, you know, help the algorithm out some. And I think that might be all. I wanted to tell y'all about a collab that is starting tomorrow that I am hostessing, and it is my Temu collab that I'm doing sort of quarterly. It's not quite quarterly, but this will be our third one. We did one in spring and one in summer, and now we're doing this one, and it's called the Temu Holiday Haul, and I'm really excited about it. It should be a lot of fun. What I said to the other channels is it will cover whatever holiday you want it to. That's fall. So fall, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, even into New Year's. So whatever you want to show. If you want to show a combination of things, that's great too. So let me tell you who's in there with me. I'm just super excited because Temu has some great buys, y'all. Some great buys, some things that you wouldn't, I mean, they have everything. So if there's something, now I am not an affiliate for Temu. A lot of these channels are. But if there's, but I still like it. And if there's anything that you need or want, and you go, you know, Google it, check Amazon, check a price, and then go see what it costs on Temu. Now, you know, you have to be careful of quality, make sure you read and whatever. So, a lot of things I've gotten from them are great quality. So there are 9 channels in this collab, and it's Favorites with Laura, Reviews with Sue, Carol Gardner, Nona's here, which is Teddy, Miss Jackie Russell, Katie's Corner of the World, Tea Time Adventures, and Haulin' It with Mima, which is Tammy and me. And I think Carol, Katie, and me and myself, we are not affiliates for Temu, but all the other channels are. So if you are interested, if you've never shopped with Temu, you can shop under them. Even if you shopped at Temu, if you use their links, their codes and stuff, they can get some money, quote unquote money. I don't think they actually ever get the money, but they get, Miss Jackie calls it seeding money. So she gets like a pot that's on the website where she can spend out of to show you more things. So, you know, so she gets whatever she buys, then of course she gets to keep and do with what she what they want to do with. So check those ladies out, and check our videos out. This is going to start on Saturday tomorrow, and go for 2 weeks. It'll start at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and you have to watch all 9 channels videos. You have to comment on all 9 videos and be subscribed to all 9 channels, and you have to be public. So I'll have a playlist in the video in the description. We all should have the playlist in our description. And I also have a video that tells you how to make your account public if you don't know, if you haven't done that yet. So if you have any questions, ask me. And that is a very short video. It's like 2 minutes long. So check that out. And that's about it, I think. So, well, Smudge was going to come up, and you know, Blue's, I don't know where Blue went to. He got mad at me, of course. Smudge, you going to come say hey? I don't think so. But y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you. I hope you've had a good week. I hope that your weather is good where you are. I hope that you're not in the path of the hurricane. And if you are, I'm praying for you. And I know a lot of people are. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend and stay safe and count your blessings, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.